maybe the angel's starting to take shape, and then you need a friend to help you up. All right, Mark's gonna show us how to do a snow angel. If you don't live in a place where it has snow, this is kind of a thing that people do. Kids love to do it. So you stand with your legs apart, and he's going to fall backwards into the snow. He's gonna stay still. He's gonna stay still. And now he's going to swish his legs back and forth and his arms back and forth. Go as far as you can, yeah. You see how maybe the angel's starting to take shape? And then you need a friend to help you up. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. And then you're left with a snow angel. That was a great one. You did great. There it is.
Probably my best one yet.
Yeah, that one maybe was the best one yet. The snow's really fluffy.
It has like the 2 little footprints that we pulled up, so then it kind of looks like a...
That's where the angel
leg.
stood, yeah. Cool. Only one thing left to do.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell.
Hit that bell. See you next time.
Yay!